Namaste, Om Namah Shivaya. A warm welcome on behalf of Gorakhnath Yog Arogya Niketan, GYAN, an ISO 9001 certified and MSME Government of India registered Yoga Institute. We are committed to quality and professionalism. We have comprehensive range of yoga services with strong emphasis on therapeutic applications of yoga for management of different lifestyle disorders to lead a healthy life. We offer genuine instruction in classical Hatha yoga, prenatal and postnatal yoga, that is pregnancy yoga, therapeutic yoga, pranayama, meditation, accessible for all regardless of age, background and gender. We also provide training in modern styles of yoga such as Ashtanga Vinyasa, which is very popular and globally recognized. We also provide training in yoga with props and chair yoga. Yoga is not only asana and pranayama, so our curriculum extends beyond physical postures and breathing exercises to encompass the profound philosophical foundations of yoga, including the principles of Hatha yoga, karma yoga, bhakti yoga, raj yoga, GYAN yoga, and the other paths of yoga. Our distinctive meditation sessions are highly effective in reducing stress, anxiety, burnout, overthinking, and fatigue, promoting the holistic health, which includes physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, and intellectual well-being for all participants. We are dedicated to disseminating the authentic understanding of yoga and fostering holistic health within our community. We encourage you all to join our institute and experience the true essence of yoga in its most genuine form. Namaste.